Hey, hello. Is it getting warm where you are yet? Just starting to warm up here. And I had a really nice request on YouTube from Praise Deblois. And since she asked so nicely, and also because she was so helpful before in helping me promote when I was trying to get American Road Trip going, I decided to make this drink right now instead of waiting till later. This is Creamy Lemon Cheesecake Milkshake. And it's thick. So thick you have to work to get up the straw. And it's very cheesecakey tasting. And lemony. All right, this is fantastic, delicious, and so easy to make. Another thing is, if you really want it cool, is after you've made it, toss it in the refrigerator for a while and chill it a bit. I like it just as it is, but you might want it even a little colder, and that's fantastic too. So let's go in the kitchen and make some of this right now. Now to make our creamy lemon cheesecake shake, well, we've got here some of the fixings for milkshake and some of the fixings for cheesecake. In here are 4 ounces or 110 grams of cream cheese, which has been sitting out at room temperature, so it's softer. I have here about a half a cup of ice cream, not at room temperature. Half a cup of ice cream, about I say, because it's not that easy to measure, and if you want to add more ice cream, it's your milkshake. A half a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, straight squeezed from a lemon, 2 teaspoons of finely grated peel of the lemon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And also optional is a raw egg. Now, I know not everybody can put raw eggs in their milkshake. It depends on where you live. But if you live in a place where you can get good raw eggs, you know, either free-range ones, really get the free-range eggs where they haven't been on antibiotics stuff, they're good and safe. If you live in Japan or any country like this, yes, raw eggs, we eat them all the time. So let's get everything into the blender. So in goes the milk. In goes the cream cheese. In goes the ice cream. It's already started melting a bit. In goes the lemon juice, the grated lemon peel, the vanilla. See how easy this is to make? You just toss everything in. The condensed milk. Just gonna make sure we get all that out of there. I love condensed milk. Condensed milk and coffee. If you've had the Vienna coffee, which is on in one of my videos, I love that. All right, and so for those of you who feel safe doing this, toss in the egg. The egg just adds that extra richness. I mean, it's okay without the egg, but me, I'll love it with the egg. All right, let's zap all this up. Here we go. All right, that's been mixing for about half a minute. That should be good to go. Grab a glass. Let's pour some. Oh yeah, look at that. Thick, creamy. Got a color too. Oh yeah. There's your lemony, creamy lemony cheesecake milkshake. Enjoy that. Now, if you go to the link appearing on the screen, you can download and print out the recipe for a creamy lemon cheesecake milkshake from our drink recipes booklet on our Patreon feed. Also, as a Patreon member, you'll get access to the video that shows you how to get the most out of your lemons, the most juice out of your lemon, and how to zest them to get that fantastic thin grated peel that gives extra taste to your milkshake. All right, now go print out that recipe and enjoy drinking this refreshing but creamy and thick milkshake, and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.